Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Hagas gining kong jong katayo katanat pulit jong kajala Meghalaya kalayo biang sa shispa khandai phulai ngut ki pulit constable bat khat phrangut ki follower ki badang pendap ya kajing sha hikai hakajaka ajing hikai ke badan ha 4th battalion MLP Sopian shushu ya kani layo iru haka passing out parade jong ka batch ka phra recruits constable kabalalong hakate kajaka ajing hikai ha 4th BN MLP 2nd IR EPTC Sopian West Khasi Hills District. Hakan ngasngi ka kong Ainong Rang IPS DGP ka Meghalaya kalalong kum ka kongsan bat shimru ya ka bentaban ai khublei ikiteki arspa khatwei ngut ki pulit bala pendap ya ka jingsha hikai. Hakate ngasngi la samru ya ka khusnam shaki khatlai ngut ki pulit ki batabit tam hakate ka jingsha pentabit jongki bakan thop shiphongut ki pulit constable bat lai ngut ki recruit followers. Kini ki shiphongut ki pulit constable ki kan thop yo best trainee in drill yak bala yo da uda job len nonglang best discipline u school 1 dekhar best trainee in turnout la yo da ubalit ti sangma best trainee in firing la yo da ribok lang lingdo best trainee in physical training la yo da mai person roy hujon nangta ka best trainee in weapons handling la yo da podium rabha best trainee in endurance la yo da shining star marwen best trainee in outdoor la yo da prizer armaram best trainee in indoor la yo da wantailang kharkongor bat haka all rounder best trainee la yo da ukentiu biang khar hujon katba ki laingot ki pulit followers recruit constable ki kan thop yu albat mani ula yo ban khore ka nam best follower in drill best follower in discipline u chasang enmara bat ukori bha pala ubala yo ya ka nam all rounder best followers hakatiga sngi le dan lang ru commandant ka 4th battalion MLP Sopian uba lakadors AM IPS u superintendent of police ka West Khasi Hills u Bikram Dimara MPS ki he pulit jong ka jala ki bahayi hasam jong ki pulit ki bala pendap ya ketika jingsha hikai bat ki wei
This is called Jiretang or slow march. The platoon commander of platoon number 3 is Recruit Constable School 1 Car of Rinkhoi District Executive Force. Raja and Sangma, making CH Morak, Yasuklan Malto, Sala Padu, John Gorlan Kalbitai, Nicolius Tony, Patlan Stepwell, Shining Star Mark. The platoon commander Constable Faisal Amarak of South Government District Executive Force.
My dear family members of all the recruit constables who are here, personnel of the 4th Battalion and other personnel from Meghalaya Police who all form part of what Lakador calls the family of Meghalaya Police, and of course the dear recruit constables of the 8th BAT passing out today from the 4th Battalion APTC Sopian. When I was making my way this morning to come to the battalion headquarters. The weather took me back 31 years, a little bit over 31 years, when I had my passing out parade. Now this is in Hyderabad, the place where you least expected any rain. There was a cyclone that morning, and my batch that is, was the one and only batch that has so far had to have the passing out parade in the auditorium. So the 8th batch here today in Sofian, I have a special connect with you. It was raining a little bit harder than this when the decision was taken that we will go ahead and have the passing out parade in the auditorium. I was so glad that I reached the battalion headquarters and your commandant informed me that the boys have been spoken to and they all said we will go ahead come what may. It is actually a very fitting example of how we as we join the Meghalaya Police have to do our duty come what may. The call of duty is always there. The circumstances might not be the most pleasant. We would have loved if this had been a glorious sunny day. But the rain has also added to the fact that it has made that much more easier to stand and hear and listen to all that is happening around you. But I welcome you to join the Meghalaya Police as full-fledged members of the Meghalaya Police today. The Commandant in his report had mentioned that various inputs have been given to you, activities were planned out, and I'm glad to hear that you have not only participated in activities, but you have given back to the training center and battalion headquarters in what you have contributed in the way of water preservation and conserving water. Water, as we know, we might not feel it now because of all the rain that we've been having for the last few weeks. But water is a very precious commodity, and unless we learn to conserve, preserve, and use it judiciously, we will well be heading to a time when we will not be having that luxury. You, as new members of the Meghalaya Police, will be called upon to do a lot of things which might not have been part of your training curriculum. Be that as it may, rest assured that being a policeman or a member of any police force is something which you should take a great pride in. I am so glad that you took pride in the fact that you are passing out today, and you would continue to do your parade because you have practiced for it and you have done your very best. I congratulate not only the medal winners, but all the 193 and the 18 followers, all the 193 constables and the 18 followers who make up this batch of the passing out today. Congratulate the instructors of the APTC. Yes, the recognition has not yet come, but the very fact that you have passed out 8 batches makes it a very strong case, and I assure you and the commander that I will be pushing very hard to make sure that recognition for this training institute happens and happens very soon. We had, just to inform the gathering here, we had this SPCO's conference over the last couple of days on Friday and Saturday at police headquarters, and there this matter had also been raised. The Chief Minister has given us the assurance, together with the Deputy Chief Minister, that they are very favorably inclined towards recognition for the APTC here in Sofian. So I can very confidently assure you that that recognition will be happening soon. As a message to all of our recruit constables and followers passing out today, remember that being a part of a force and wearing the uniform is a calling. It is not just another job. It is a calling, and it is something that you have to be sure that you dedicate your life to. Yes, there will be things that we will not like to do, but we have to do. There are various instances when we would be going much beyond the call of duty. But as has been said, the various examples that have been set before you, not only in the years that have passed, but even here in the days, the 11 months that you spent here in the training center, you would have seen that when we are called upon to do something, we do it. And we do it to the best of our ability. I think the boys and everybody else has had enough of standing in the rain. So again, I take this opportunity to wish you the very best and welcome you into the Meghalaya Police.